first official vlog with a mic and a helmet. You guys can let me know how it sounds. Nice sunny day. People fishing over there. Check it out. Man, Kentucky gotta be one of the craziest days. I swear it was like 75, 80 degrees. This morning it was 30. Now it's in the 60s. Tomorrow it's supposed to be like 70. Makes it very difficult for a guy to just want to ride his bike. See what these guys is doing. Oh shit. Looks like we got a full-blown we got a full-blown accident. See if I can ride through this. Oh wow. You know. Wow. Airbags out, everything. It's the definition of somebody having a bad day. That's for sure. Hope I didn't ride through any antifreeze or anything. I didn't see anything, but oh. The mission today, I'll holler at one of the homies, have him take a look at the bike. Stator cover needs to be resealed. I don't have a bad oil leak or anything, but I did notice a little something, so no real way to get it to him besides riding the bike. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get the bike over there. What we got? 61 miles still empty. One thing I noticed, man, the gas on this bike does not get the mileage that I used to on my Gixxer. On my Gixxer 1000, I can fill it up. I can ride that sucker to about 100 miles before I got the gas light come on. I can get about 100, 110 miles out of it. I'm not really sure if it's the gearing on this bike or just the way I've been riding it. Because I do pull the throttle. I do get a little bit of throttle therapy from time to time. It don't take much. Just got done adjusting my mirrors. I can't really see out of them setting up in this position. I can see out of them when I'm down and crouched. We got some aftermarket mirrors that really kind of iffy about them because they do vibrate, so it kind of distorts the reflection of what you're trying to see. But if I'm upright, I can't see out of them when I'm down. So if I had to choose which position I wanted to see out of these mirrors, it's going to be when I'm actually down and crouched, getting after type of position. But it's just one other thing. So, you know, looking down a little bit, I can see out of that one, see out of that one. Good to go. Really hoping this audio comes out good. News. It took me forever to get this damn GoPro adapter. Couldn't find them nowhere. Couldn't find them on Amazon. Couldn't find them on shit, eBay or anything. For at least 2 or 3 months. Rolling in neutral, baby. Only thing is, I'm about to remount my camera because the new camera thing I got added about an inch or so it actually holds the GoPro adapter inside of it, which is cool because I don't have to mount it to my helmet. I found something else sticky, but it's bad because the original position was meant for the camera holder. didn't reach up this damn far, so now I'm gonna have to do some rigging. Get over, I'm over there, baby. This time I break it. Tell you one thing I do a lot more on this bike than I ever have on any of my other bikes is use my rear brake. I say that's one thing a lot of new people don't do. A lot of new riders don't do enough of is using your rear brake to slow down. Not so damn much that you lock your back tire, but it definitely adds a little more security. And I feel like it's going to extend the life of my foot on the peg, bike leaning, because I'm too short to really sit comfortably on this bike with both feet flat on the ground. Don't stop, yellow light, we ain't taking it. Let everybody know I'm here. Some people do it to be cool. I do it to be heard. Also known as making sure these damn drivers know there's a bike out here. Blink on, can people see it? Not from the front, from the back they can. We have arrived. Alright, so what's the game plan, man? Obviously we got to get more oil. Oil look dirty too, don't it?
Yeah, how about you change the oil?
Shit, it was changed when I first got it. But obviously it needs to get changed again, so I guess it's about to get one. I'm about to take it to the car wash and rinse it out.
Man, I got some.
You got a hose?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. All right, what is it, man? What we got?
This is where you get all your power from. It's like the generator, like the alternator on the car. It spins around.
Keeps the battery charged and all of that stuff.
Power chain spins around and all the juice goes up. And
yeah. That's what's up, man. That's why you the mechanic. Look at you, man. You got the wire brush. I'm glad that it was a bad gasket, man, because if we can stop this leak, this was the only thing I was worried about on this bike. Other than that, we fine. Besides getting more plastic because they messed up my damn plastics. But it worked.
A little bit better.
Right. I bet they didn't put that gasket seal on there either. It didn't look like it had a fresh batch on there, did it?
It looked like it had something on there. That's probably good enough.
Need to rough up all of it.
Man, I'll be here all day, bro.
Congratulations. You're gonna be in the vlog.
So at this point, stator cover gasket has been replaced and I'm off and rolling again. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this eventful evening, cars and ditches, and finally breaking in the GoPro for a proper vlog, or at least an attempt at a proper vlog. After playing this back, I did hear some sound quality issues I'm definitely going to try to clean up. Maybe move the mic around from, behind the ear pad to maybe to the front of the helmet to see if that helps clear it up. But in either case, feels good to be back rolling again. It feels good to be back vlogging, and there will be a lot more content to come. So, hey, if you guys enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up. And as always, you guys keep doing what y'all do. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next vlog.